Welcome to Morpheus Trading Group. Today we're going to be taking a look at the S&P 500 index. We're going to look at a longer time frame, however. We're looking at the monthly chart of the S&P 500. And the reason we do this, generally after a protracted move, a big move in the market, it's a good idea as things start to clarify a little bit. We've gotten some stalling action recently. We reversed and we've seen some selling, but over the past couple of days, volumes dried up. The market's not showing a lot of conviction one way or the other, and it's at these times that we'll take a look at longer time frames, such as weekly charts or monthly charts, to see if there's potentially support and resistance levels that could play a factor in the market. Well, you'll notice the S&P 500 during this massive sell-off over the past month, we've now come down into the 200-period moving average on the weekly chart. I'm sorry, on the monthly chart. This is a monthly chart. And we touched that moving average and have seemed to have found support there, at least for the moment. What's most important right now is to realize that we're at a moment here where it can be a little bit dangerous to get too aggressive, to be overly aggressive on the short side of the market. The point being that you're often better off waiting for a bounce into resistance in order to take on new short positions. You'll also find during times like this that short positions that look like they're good setups, they won't trigger. They won't hit their trigger prices, and therefore you never get a chance to enter them. Based on this chart, we would not be surprised at all to see the S&P 500 rally back up into resistance of its declining 50-period moving average, and then of course this 20-period moving average. So to see a bounce here into the range of somewhere around 1175 to around 1200 would not be shocking, given the fact that we are coming into a major support level here, which also coincides with this zone of consolidation. Once again, we would urge caution on the short side of the market in the short run here. If you enjoyed today's presentation, please join us at www.morpheustrading.com, where you can sign up for your free membership to receive technical analysis like this every day. Thank you for joining us today.